Of course, with these 9 or 10 brief tutorials, we've only skimmed the very surface of what expressions can do. And if you're looking for extra help with expressions, there's loads of resources on the internet out there. Dan Eberts is a great guy, and he's known as kind of like the After Effects expressions guru. And he's got a website and some training, and it's free. And there's tons of books on the subject, podcasts, YouTube videos, you name it, it's out there. But I want to give you a few resources that you already have access to as an owner of After Effects. Now, your first reaction might not be super positive when I talk about the help file with After Effects. By the way, it's only on the web now. You have to go to the internet to get access to the help for After Effects and other Adobe products, although once you're there, you could download the help in PDF format. But the help for expressions here is better than any of the help that I've seen anywhere, even the stuff that you have to pay for. It goes through expression basics, and then there's all kinds of stuff with the basics, just kind of setting things up a little bit. And there's some great examples having like real world projects, and they give you the code and they tell you these things like make a layer revolve in a circle, rotate the hands of a clock, all these different things. And these are probably the best real world examples of expressions out there. Really great examples. Now, another thing, if we go to Adobe Bridge and we browse the presets, we don't find too much help with expressions here. But if we go back to the After Effects root directory, there's a templates folder there. Not in the presets folder. It's just its own templates folder. I'm going to open up templates, and there's a template project called expressionsampler.aet. Well, if you open that up, you'll see that it contains loads of compositions that have sample expressions. This is a great way just to see expressions at work. And so if we play this back, for example, here's Z-spring, all these layers springing on the Z-axis, just kind of like this realistic boingingness. There's also Orbit 3D, so you see these layers rotating around in 3D, all done by the power of expressions. And you could select these layers and type EE to see their expressions, because you might be wondering, well, how do you do that? Well, there's a bunch of different variables set up here, and then here is the expression. Obviously a little bit more complex than what we've looked at in this chapter. But these resources are here for you nonetheless. One more here. Once you create an expression, you'll see this little sideways arrow here. You could open this up. This is the expression language menu. And this kind of can help you as you're working on the syntax for various expressions. So maybe you're looking to control a light with expressions, for example, maybe to automate the process a little bit. You can go to light and see the different expressions that are available to you when you're working with lights. The expressions world is a big world, but again, there's a lot of help out there for you.